Today you are going to learn a tool, Consolidate, which helps to summarize information kept across multiple ranges in a super easy way. Let's explore this tool to find out how. I have got an Excel file here with 4 worksheets. Each worksheet has weekly sales information for the salespersons against products, and for every week it's a similar data, that is same salespersons and the products. So like this I have got 4 weeks of data. Now imagine you wanted to consolidate, that is add up all these 4 weeks data into a single worksheet. I have taken this sheet Consolidate, where I'm going to combine all these 4 weeks data over here. So one way to do that is you may have to copy paste all the salespersons and the products information and start writing a formula where you pick cells related to that person and the product from each sheet and you add up. But I suggest you here in this video a tool called Consolidate, which can do this in an ease. Let's see how this tool helps us to add up all the sheets data. So now I'm here in the sheet Consolidate, where I would like to add up all the sheets data. The tool is available on the Data tab. So I go to Data tab. In Data, you will find a group Data Tools. Within Data Tools, you'll find the tool Consolidate. So I go click on it. You get this dialog box. The first option is to select what kind of functionality you want. So here, as I wanted to add up all the week's data, so I'll just take sum. Now once you pick the functionality, now you have to tell Excel what all references you're going to add in this requirement. So you need to start accessing all the sheets references here one by one. So I'll just start with my first week's reference, that is I'll go to week 1. I go pick the entire data, so this to this. You can also use shortcuts like Control Shift arrows. The entire range is shown here. Now you need to click on this add button. You could see the moment you add it, you will see that in the list all references. Now that week 1 data has been picked up, let's take week 2's data now. So I'll click on week 2. Now you could see as the range is same across all the worksheets, it automatically picked me the week 2 data. So you don't need to again select the week 2 data here. You just need to simply click on add, because it has to be considered in the consolidation. So I click on add. Now I go to week 3. Similar step again, click on add. Last week's data now, so that is week 4. Click add again. Now you could see all the 4 weeks data has been listed in all reference list. Now actually you can just click OK now to complete this tool, but there are a few more options which can be helpful. Let's have a look on it. Like there is an option use labels in. If you use this option, you'll also get the headers in the Consolidate sheet according to the source data. I prefer the top row as well as the left column, that is my salesperson names as well as the product names. And there is also an option where the final sheet can have the link to the source data. This is again optional. If you want, you can mark it to keep the links, or it will just have the values. So I just check this box and that's it. Now I click OK. Look at that. All the salesperson's information across the different products have been summarized. So you could see week 1, 25, 50, 75 and 100 adds up to 250. All right. And you could also see a formula here which says sum of D4 to D7. Actually, if I click on this expand button, you'll realize that it is taking the data from each worksheet, like week 1 C3, week 2 C3, week 3 C3, and it is adding that over here. So you also have a link, plus this is always connected with the source data. So if I do any changes in each week in future, for example, right now the first sales guy, that is Stevens dairy product, is showing 250. Let's do some changes to that, as the value of that guy is in the same cell across the sheet. So I'll just select all the sheets together. So I'll just select week 1, hold the shift key and click on week 4. So all the 4 sheets got selected. Let us just change this value to something else. Say I'll just change this to 200. So across all the sheets, it changes to 200 now. Now look at the changes reflecting in my summary sheet as well. All right. So this could be a nice way to quickly summarize the data using the tool Consolidate. So that's how you use this tool Consolidate. Hope you enjoyed watching this video. If you did, hit that thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't subscribed this channel, and I'll see you in my next video.